Good, making party outside. Hey! Make party. There you go, good boy. It's really snowing a lot. Look at that. Oh my gosh, look at that. The flag. It's really blowing. Oh my gosh, it's so cold. There it is. Jupiter's already covered with snow. Oh, there they are. This dog really likes to play. Oh, there they are. Where's the one?
Wait.
Oh.
Okay.
Hi.
Where
My
you
name is Mossy Bug and I here outside in the snow.
There's a little shovel, like a miniature one, in the garage hanging if he wanted to help you shovel, really.
Yeah, that's what I'm telling him earlier.
Small one.
Oh my gosh. Q is just bouncing on him. Okay, go ahead. Matthew, you're gonna
Run
get...
out there, maybe he'll follow you and he'll go buddy up there. Run out there, maybe he'll go with you.
Not there, Matthew. Go there in
Follow the garage there.
the garage way. All the way there.
Yeah.
Where I shovel.
I think
Oh my
there's
gosh.
a full snow.
Look at this one. It is really so very...
Go on out there, follow, go
Deep
on out there
already.
so they'll follow you.
Since the time that I... Look. Look at him. Oh my gosh. Look at him. Oh my gosh. That is excitement. Just like yesterday. There he is. Matthew, just do not sit on the... You're gonna get yourself really cold. Oh, there. That's what happens. There you go. Go, Matthew, run. Run all the way. All the way up there. Go. Oh my gosh, it's really snowing so hard. That's it. There is QQ. He's really running. And the boy is... the boy is stuck. There you go. That's what happened. Your face we're gonna get cold. Buddy. Go in the other way. Yeah. We really have a lot of snow. Look at that. It's almost the height of Q. Oh, it's not focusing now. Oh, look at... Uh-oh. Some... Masi, be careful. Oh my gosh. He's gonna jump. He's gonna jump on you. Oh my gosh, this dog we're gonna get sick because it's... Oh my gosh. There he is. Okay, go up now. Someone is really stuck. There he is. It's really still snowing and the camera is getting wet now. I'm gonna need to put... Oh my gosh, look at that queue. He's really on the deep snow. It's so deep. It really looks amazing. Look at that dog. He's so wild. Oh my gosh. Oh my. Oh my. This one's already 3 minutes.